Through valley, climb the hill. Path of Jah is holy still. Every step I chant a prayer. Path of Zion, take me there. Path of Zion, straight and true. Guide me spirit, guide me through. No more wandering, no more wrong. Path of Jah, keep I strong. It glow at night, it shine at dawn. Path of Zion, never gone. It lead the youth, it lead the old. Path more precious than fine gold. It break the chain, it heal the heart. Path of Jah, a holy start. Forever shining, never lost. Path of Zion, fear no cost. Me walk alone, me walk with friend. Path of Zion, never end. Bless the humble, bless the meek. Path of truth, all people seek. It call the soul, it call the name. Path of Jah, forever same. Every step, a holy song. Path of Zion, keep me strong. It rise above the dust and fire. Path of Zion, lift me higher. It guard the children, guard the land. Path made true by Jah hand. It shine with hope, it shine with peace. Path of love will never cease. Forever bright, forever sure. Path of Jah, forever pure. When the trumpet sound again, path of Zion still remain. It lead the faithful, lead the kind. Path of Jah, eternal mind. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Path of Zion, ever born. Eternal road, eternal flame. Path of Jah, forever same. Step light, step strong. Path of Zion, lead along. No heat, no war can change the way. Path of Jah, forever stay. Path of Zion, straight and true. Guide me spirit, guide me through. No more wandering, no more wrong. Path of Jah, keep I strong. From first step to endless day. Path of Zion, light the way. wash away the stain of wrong. Carry truth and carry song. From mountain top it find the way. River flow both night and day. River of Zion flowing free. Wash the people, set them free. No dry dry season, no divide. River of Jah, eternal tide. It nourish tree, it feed the land. River guided by Jah hand. Every stream a holy song. Every wave the righteous strong. It heal the wounded, bless the poor. River open every door. From source to sea it never cease. River of Zion carry peace. Me drink the water, me soul restored. River flow from Jaja Lord. No poison there, no bitter taste. River flow with love and grace. It guide the children, guide the youth. River shining with the truth. No drought can stop, no chain can bind. River bless both heart and mind. It shine like silver in the night. River glow with holy light. It call the people, call them home. River say no more to roam. It bless the elder, bless the meek. River truth is what we seek. Forever strong, forever near. River of Zion flowing clear. Trumpet call again. River wash away the pain. It rise eternal, never dry. River flow beneath the sky. From Zion peak to ocean wide. River carry holy guide. Love eternal, peace divine. River of Jah forever shine. Flow high, flow deep. River of Zion, blessings keep. No dam, no wall can stop the wave. River of Jah, forever safe. River of Zion, flowing free. Wash the people, set them free. No dry season, no divide. River of Jah, eternal tide. From mountain spring to ocean shore. River of Zion, flow evermore. Zion reggae, yeah man. Built with stone of living word. Temple of Zion, voices heard. No man hand could raise so high. Temple built by Jah Most High. It stand forever, never fall. Holy temple, fiat call. Every prayer a sacred sound. Temple bless the holy ground. Temple of Zion shining bright. House of peace and house of light. Every spirit, every soul. Temple make the broken whole. It glow with fire, glow with flame. Temple call Jah holy name. It rise above standing pure. Come true. Temple always calling you. No wicked plan can break the wall. Temple of Jah stand for all. Love eternal truth inside. Temple of Zion never hide. Step in, kneel low. Temple of Zion blessings flow. No chain, no hate can close the gate. Forever grace, Temple of Zion shining bright, house of peace and house of light. Every spirit, every soul, temple make the broken whole. From first stone to endless day, Temple of Zion always stay. Zion reggae. Upon the throne of righteous King, Zion power everlasting. Not of gold nor silver bright, but of love and holy light. It ruled the meek, it ruled the true. Throne of Jah for me and you. Every word a holy call. Throne of Zion reign for all. Throne of Zion, seat of peace, rule of love will never cease. Every nation, every tongue bow before the righteous one. It stands so high, it stands so strong. Throne of Jah where right belong. No tyrant hand, no wicked reign. Only truth and love remain. It guide the people, guard the land. Throne established by Jah hand. Forever justice, never wrong. Throne of Zion ever strong. Me see the elders gathered near, sing the song. beat of song, throne of Zion ever strong. Stand tall, bow down, throne of Zion wear no crown. Only light and only love, throne established high above. Throne of Zion, seat of peace, rule of love will never cease. Every nation, every tongue bow before the righteous one. From dawn of time till end of day, throne of Zion always stay.
Na 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 Zion reggae. Deep in the valley where the green hills meet, flow a river pure and sweet. From Zion mountain it come down, blessing every village, every town. Water clear like crystal light, wash away the dark of night. Every drop a holy sign. River of Zion forever shine. River of Zion flow on free. Carry your love from sea to sea. Every soul can drink and live. All the healing it can give. Me walk along the river bend, feel just spirit like a friend. It tell me tales of days gone by, of prophets' prayer and battle cry. Me see the children laugh and play, splashing the blessing every day. From root to branch, from leaf to vine, I'll give thanks for Zion's sign. When drought come try fi crack the land, river still strong by Jaan. Even when the sun ablaze, water keep the fire in praise. Babylon dam can't block the
chant for the people. Same blood, same sky equal. No matter color, no matter creed. Love are the only seed we need. From ghetto yard to mountainside. Jaja love we not hide. Me lift me voice for all to hear. Unity come, draw near. Chant for the people day and night. Guide them through the holy light. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Love I wear the royal crown. Me chant for the farmer in the field. Pray Jah bless the crop and yield. Me chant for the youth them in the street. Pray Jah guide them every beat. Every voice come join along. Fill the ear with righteous song. Chant for the people far and near. Jaja blessings always here. Even when the war drum play. Me chant for peace to rule the day. Me chant for the healing of the land. Planting love with every hand. Every nation, every tongue. Sing the chant from old to young. Me see the vision clear and bright. Chant for the people through the night. Me chant when the rain come down. Me chant when the sky turn brown. Me chant in the good and bad. Me chant with the joyful and the sad. No matter season, no matter time. Me chant in rhythm and in rhyme. When the sun sets in our west, me chant till me soul find rest. Me chant for the prisoner behind the gate. Pray for Jah mercy before too late. Me chant for the elder wise and kind. Me chant for the lost, we help them find. Me chant for the mother with newborn child. Me chant for the wilderness running wild. Every word a arrow true. Piercing lies with Jah light too. Chant high, chant low. Like river it must flow. Carry hope, carry peace. Till all the suffering cease. From sunrise till setting sun. Chant for the people one by one. When the drum beat call me name. Chant for the people just the same. Chant for the people day and night. Guide them through the holy light. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Love I wear the royal crown. From valley low to mountain steep. Jaja love we always keep.
Zion reggae, yeah man. Zion reggae, yeah man. Me wake me for the morning rise. Send me prayer up to the skies. Me thank Jah for the gift of life. Shield me from the Babylon strife. Me kneel on earth, me touch the ground. Feel Jah power all around. Rootsman prayer, strong and pure. Jaja love forever sure. Rootsman prayer, inna the dawn. Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word I seed me sow. Inna Jah garden make it grow. Me pray for youth, me pray for poor. Me pray Babylon fight no more. Me pray for rivers, pray for tree. the cry of all. Lift we up from Babylon dust. Guide we in the righteous trust. Rootsman chant, we set we free. Open eyes, we truth we see. The food and feed the ranks. Every blessing, big or small, Jah deserve them one and all. When the stars light up the sky, Rootsman Prayer still flying high. Till the morning break again, me call Jah holy name. Rootsman Prayer inna the dawn, Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word a seed me sow, in a Jah garden make it grow. From sunrise till the night is near, Rootsman Prayer still ringing clear.
Rasta man, grind the kaya man. Sound system turn up, speaker them a place. Me step in a the dance in a righteous face. Me chalice full, me soul a burn. Me dep on fire, now it's your turn. Drum and bass beat like heart in a chest. Every rhythm drop, bring out your best. Me now flex like star, me flex like truth. Me there for the elder, me there for youth. Give me one rhythm and me ride it clean. Me chant so heavy like steam from green. No gun talk, no Babylon slang. Me lyrics are heal like Naya Bingy Bang. Me chant in a corner with me herb so proud. Me meditate, even in a the crowd. Select a wheel up, bassline drop. Me feel it in a spine when the snare go pop. Light it up, feed the people in a struggle. Light it up, let the Babylon juggle. We smoke, we dance, we elevate. Rootsman vibes, we celebrate. Light it up, all tribes unite. In a dance hall, we shine so bright. From Trench Town to the mountain top, we burn bad mind and we nah go stop. Me see dreadlocks, gyal a wine with grace. She move to the rhythm like she know the place. Me hail her up with respect and joy. Me say one love, no time for toy. Me see big man, small man, all man in a line. All blaze up chalice, all feeling fine. This a root session, no time for war. This a love in a rhythm like a Rasta star. Me roll one big with me brethren crew. Me pass it round like wisdom true. We reason about life, we reason about peace. We know say Babylon time must ease. Me there in a dance but me spirit fly to Zion plains where the lions lie. One draw, two draw, me eyes them close, but me vision clear like a red rose. Light it up, feed the people in a struggle. Light it up, let the Babylon juggle. We smoke, we dance, we elevate. Rootsman vibes, we celebrate. Light it up, all tribes unite. In a dance dancehall we shine so bright. From Trench Town to the mountain top, we burn bad mind and we nah go stop. No need fiddling, me blaze the herbs, me speak truth, me not twist words. Me stand up tall like King Selassie. Me spread the vibe like Ital recipe. From Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, the drum and truth can never drown. Every lyric me spit, a pure uplift. Ay, ay, ay. Ganja, ganja is the medicine, yeah, man. Bassline hit like heartbeat in a womb. Drum roll rise and clear the gloom. Me tune in deep to the cosmic wave. Reggae sound, soul we save. Each note a prayer, each chord a flame. Burn illusion, call your name. Roots vibration in a eye bones. Me feel it deeper than sticks and stones. Roots frequency, guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need for talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to your love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. This are the heartbeat all along. Drop the vinyl clean. Me close my eyes, me start fi dream. Me see people come together true. Different skin but one blood through. Babylon try divide with fear, but roots music bring I near. Me chant with elders, chant with youth. The rhythm reveal universal truth. Me nah need take or flashy screen. Just a speaker and a tambourine. Me feel the bass line deep in chest. Remind I say I truly blessed. Me nah rush, me nah chase fame. Me just want people feel the same. In a dancehall or under tree, me soul tune to the frequency. Roots frequency, guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need for talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to your love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. This are the heartbeat all along. All along. All along. Late night session, moonlight beam. Me skanking time to dubwise dream. Engineer mix it with holy hand. From Zion straight to every land. No border can stop this wave. No chain strong, nothing make I slave. Music a weapon, music a bomb. Cool me soul, keep I calm. So turn it up, let it roll. Rhythm speak to the deepest soul. From Trench Town yard to African shore. Roots frequency, open door. Join the echo, join the drum. Hear the message, salvation come. So listen keen and feel it true. This reggae built for I and you.
trod through street where hope seemed dead, but me nah fear no evil vibe. Me bring Jah light where shadows hide. Me see them run, them chase the pay, them lose them soul along the way. But me stay firm, me stand me ground. Me reggae beat still shake the town. Hell, green smoke rising high in the sky. Jah know me spirit, Jah hear me cry. From rooftop height, is subway line. Me chant for love, me chant for sign. Jah sitting no silent, but I find peace. In the rhythm, me trouble cease. With ganja fire and roots in chest, me meditate, me find me rest. Me reach me corner, me safe zone. Me sit on rooftop all alone. Me roll it clean, me roll it tight. One spark and me soul ignite. Me close me eyes, me feel the beat. Me levitate above the street. Me nah need plane, me nah need car. Me fly with rhythm to Zion star. Me think about life, me think about now. How system try to make man bow, but me resist in gentle way. Me live idle, me smoke and pray. Green smoke rising high in the sky, while sirens wail and pigeons fly. Me hold me peace inside me lungs. Me sing me songs in ancient tongues. No preacher tell I what fi feel. Me herb a temple, me truth are real. Me no escape, me face me scene, but still me rise in smoke so green. Inna the chaos, me still hear drum. Me heart a bassline, me soul a strum. Me walk with staff through Market Street. Me greet them youth, me drop them beat. Them ask Rasta, how you cope? Me say me all faith, me burn me up. Me herb is key, me chant is gate. Me vibe strong, me love no hate. The food me cook, it pure and true. Me drink me roots, me sip me brew. Me tell the youth, love yourself first. Babylon train you, fi feel cursed. When the moon rise over tower light, me feel Jah presence hold me tight. No need for mansion, me have stars. Me roll one more beneath the cars. Each puff a prayer, each draw a song. Me hold this liberty firm and strong. Me nah compete, me nah pretend. Me know Jah walk with I till end. So if you lost in steel and stone, just light one up and trod alone. Listen for rhythm and traffic beat. Let the fire guide your feet. Zion echoes in the smoke we send. Truth arise and pain amend. Me sip tea prayer, me herbal limb. Me journey start from deep within.
Reggae of Zion, King, ya man. Early morning dew on me locks. Me step barefoot over river rocks. Me path narrow, but me soul wide. Me carry Jah light on the inside. Me chant psalms from me heart core. Rhythm guide me like never before. Each step a prayer, each breath divine. Me walk in tune, me life align. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One lover lead me, Me see mountain, me see valley, me pass city and small alley. Some try test I, throw me shade, but Jah give I strength, me never afraid. Me humble like lion, who know him power. Me rise like sun, hour by hour. Me reason with trees, me dance with breeze. Me find peace in roots melodies. Me meditate under blue sky. Question life, but never ask why. Cause every leaf and drop a rain teach I something, fi ease the pain. Me nah compete, me nah chase clock. Time nah real pan, Rasta rock. Me just move steady, slow and true. Jah carry me carry you. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Janim. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day. Me meet elders pon me trail. Them share wisdom like holy grail. Them say Rasta youth, keep your fire. Burn them lies, rise up higher. Me chant rhythm under moonlight. Stars blink like them know I fight. Me path long but me vision clear. Me know Zion soon draw near. So if you're lost, just look inside. Jah compass there, fi be your guide. No need fi fear, no need fi rush. Just feel the earth, feel Jah touch. We all day, pan sacred ride. Some slow, some quick, some try hide. But truth call I like drumming breeze. Come walk with I, come find peace. Meditation deep in the jungle, yeah man. Early morning light creep through me window. Birds are sing sweet hymns in the meadow. Me stretch me arms to the rising sun. Another day fi chant, another day begun. Me plant me foot on sacred earth. Me know Jah love from even birth. Me give thanks for the breeze and tree. Me give thanks for the life in me. Me light me chalice, me sip me tea. Me mind clear like Caribbean Sea. Me no run down hype nor goal. Me walk the path them ancient stole. One love still lives in each breath we take. Even in a system that try to fake. Roots still grow and heart still beat. Truth still walk down Zion Street. One love still lives through drum and bass. In a Rasta chant and Jah embrace. From Kingston town to Mount Zion Hill, the fire still burn and always will. Me remember me youth and them reggae nights. The rhythm and a kind of full moonlight. Me father play vinyl and close him eye. Bob voice echo, no woman no cry. Me hold them words like sacred prayer. Them carry me soul through worldly fear. Me nah need fame nor diamond chain. Just a little spliff and roots again. Me walk the road with humble pride. Me link with nature, Jah by me side. From waterfall to highest pine, me feel the universe align. One love still lives like fire in a breeze. Blow through
strong and still. Me chant it loud, me sing it true. Me pass the flame from I to you. Imagine earth with no more war, just sound systems under star. Elders tell story, youths them learn. Fire burn bright, but now fi burn. Me vision clear, a village wall, where man and woman live in soul. Me hear Naya Bingi in a breeze. Me see just smile between the trees. Me share me fruit, me share me bread. Me bless the table where I'll get fed. Me no judge man by rank or race. Me only look upon art and grace. So me chant, rise up, oh children true. The world await, delight in you. Smoke your herb, but open your mind. Look inside, your heart will find. One love still lives. Now me close me eye, me see the flame, it never die. It just change name, sometimes Bob, sometimes Jah. Sometimes me brethren from far, but always love. Deep and wide, it guide me steps, it walk beside. So if you're lost or full of fight, play this tune in the night and feel it rise from soul to sky. Cause one love still lives, it never die.
Oh yo 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 yo. Oh yo yo, inna the barefoot straight kaya man.
Inna the moonlight, she walks so fine. Natural beauty, like she made from vine. Her locks them long, her heart them clean. Me call her empress, she me roots queen. Me sight her dancing to the bassline slow. Ganja smoke rise like a mystic glow. She say Rasta, come reason with me. Let's burn some herbs and then set the mind free. Me pass her the chalice, me heart skip beat. Her voice soft like rhythm in a summer heat. She says she love when double drop and consciousness rise, never stop. We sip on coconut under the tree. She tap out Zion and just set we free. Me laugh and say me dream you long time. She smile is destiny, now we align. Dope feed the queen, me chant feel love. We flow together like wings of dove. In a ital fire, me purify soul. Heart to heart, no Babylon control. Dope feed the queen, me empress strong. In a this unity, we both belong. Through every echo, me feel you near. Like sweet Naya Bingi, so crystal clear. She cook ital with the earth in mind. Pure vibration in every grind. She say no need fee, diamond ring. Just ganja drum and what life bring. When Babylon try, fi confuse we head. She hold me hand and chant songs instead. Me empress, no follow, no fashion hype. She blaze truth like Congo pipe. We chant rhythm deep in the hills. Meditate long till the heartbeat stills. Stars a dancer, above we head. Love in a we bed, truth a get spread. We plant seeds, we grow food. Love with no pride, no attitude. And when rain fall on the zinc rooftop, we still a reason, nah ever stop. Dope feed the queen, we chant feel love. We flow together like wings of dove. In a ital fire, we purify soul. Heart to heart, no Babylon control. Dope feed the queen, me empress strong. In a this unity, we both belong. Through every echo, me feel you near. Like sweet Naya Bingi, so crystal clear. Me bring her flowers from mountain high. She teach me how fi watch the sky. She teach me silence, talk more than word. Like a wind whisper, just like bird. Me empress glow in a natural way. She dance beer.
Ay ay ay. Smoker, Rootsman Zion. Ragaya man. Before the sun peak over hill, me hear the earth so calm, so still. Bird a sing them holy song, tell the world fear right the wrong. Me stretch me hand to Jah above, feel the warmth of perfect love. Me light me fire, me brew me tea. Morning in Zion set me free. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Me walk the path through garden gate. Herb in bloom, me give thanks great. Me see the elder upon the stone. Chant and reason both Jah throne. The youth them gather, smile so wide. Morning light in a them pride. No Babylon chain can bind. Zion dwell in heart and mind. The mountain mist start drift away. Reveal the hills in gold array. The goats them climb, the river shine. Every sign a Jah design. Me hear Naya bingy drum from far, calling we to who we are. Morning bring the truth again. Zion life run through me vein. Me step through fields where flowers grow, smell the breeze and feel it blow. Children laugh, the elders cheer. Morning blessings everywhere. Me share me fruit with neighbor true. Pass on Jah love in all we do. From little seed to towering tree. Morning in Zion set we free. Before the noon, me lift me song, fi keep the day both bright and strong. Every chant a seed we sow, in Jah garden it will grow. Morning in Zion never fade. It's the start of works we made. Me hold this light till day is done. Zion shine like the rising sun. Rise up, morning call. Stand tall, Rasta never fall. Chalice burn, vibration high. Praise Jah sun in the
wash you like river. Let it go flow, make you deliver.